It was once a massive forest lying less than 10 kilometers north of the Atlantic Ocean, enslaved by same depravities that have plagued humankind globally.
Strange diseases,
Defiling medical interventions,
occultism in high dimensions,
dishonesty,
wickedness, and more to mention.
but a single look.
A look to the author and finisher signals the authority.
It's a power shift.
Power from on high upon your life.
You've never seen anything like this before.
The day when everything that is dead, dormant, dull in your life will rise up.
July 28th to August 2nd, 2022, 1600 hours GMT daily and 0700 hours GMT Sunday worship service, packaged on a global scale for all.
Men, women, ministers and professionals, children, youths and young adults.
A total package by the convener, Pastor Dr. W.F. Kumuyi, at the GCK July edition, live at Ikorodu, Lagos State, Nigeria.
Poised to reveal total emancipation by the authority of Christ.
The inspirational and international evangelist, Pastor Dr. W.F. Kumuyi,
will be ministering along with Jeff Dio, our guest music minister.
coming to you live from Ikorodu, Lagos State, Southwest Nigeria.
And broadcast to the world via satellite, social media,
Radio and television.
We are inviting the entire populace in and around Lagos. PFL Lagos is fully involved, and our men and women and youth are in charge. I've been given the marching order to ensure that this thing is a huge success. We are praying, we are believing, we are putting the network and our resources into it. And we trust at the end of it all, millions of souls will be gladly brought into the kingdom of God.
GCK, in the 7th month, globally packaged to perfect total emancipation by the authority of Jesus Christ.
get ready for total freedom.
This July,
I'm going to grab you by the hand, drag you out of the valley, and I'm going to drag you to the mountain top.
the Global Crusade with Kumuyi, GCK Authority, is coming.